Hey guys, we have this package that came in the mail. Can you see me good?
Yes.
We have this package that came in the mail. It looks like it's some slippers. Some nice slippers. Yeah, some warm, comfortable slippers. This, but let's put down. And guys, today I will be getting a hoverboard. So it'll come in all black, TV mode start. It come with a charger, the black brick cube to plug it in. Okay, it'll come with all of that. Today we're going to be posting videos on YouTube. Have a good day. Ching.